I'm going to share with you how to make the project easily, right? So without further ado, we will start the video. So for example, you are making a roll-up canvas which has a length of 5 meters by 5 meters, right? So it's a square canvas. So your canvas is 5 m squared. So I will draw here my canvas. Now, for the sleeves or for the allowance on top and under here, you just need, I think, to have, for example, 3 inches so that you can fold the upper part where you can put the stuffings or the stick or the weight. For example, an iron pipe is inserted into this part of your canvas, and on top of the canvas, you need to attach this one in a sturdy pole as well. On your wall, you need to have a support here. So this is basically what we can see on our canvas project. Now, the problem is, how are you going to put the strings and the pulleys? In this example, I will just put the pulley here, the single lane pulley, and in this side, I'm gonna put the double lane pulley. So basically, this is the position of your pulleys. But you can interchange, actually. You can put the two pulleys here, and the other one is over here. So in my example, I just put the single pulley on my left and the double pulley on my right. So how much strings do I need? So our canvas is 5 m by 5 m. So my string should be one length only, no cuttings needed. So I have to start to put the strings here. I will make a hole here. On the other side, I can put the strings from this side and going this way at the back, right? Basically like this. And I need to put the strings over here, and on my pulley, single pulley, I will insert the strings behind, right, not in front. Or you can put in front, but you have to twist it and you have to reverse the pulley. So here I will insert the pulley, or the strings rather. I will put the string behind, and it should basically come out on this hole, but the string should go further, going to the other side of the pulley. All right, so from here the string is going at the back of your canvas and going in front, and take note, this one is the weight. Okay, so when you roll up the canvas, you can easily roll it up if it is heavy. Here, I should say 1 kilogram. 1 kilogram. Okay, the weight of this iron bar here, or you can put wooden bar, as long as it is 1 kilogram, or shall we say half kilo. Okay, 0.5 kilograms. Okay, let's proceed to the string. Now the string here should pass through this place, and it should be connected to the pulley on the right side, which is the double lane pulley. Now you have to insert your string again at the back or behind the first lane, right? So you have to put the first your string on the first lane, and it should be going down like this. All right, so in this case, take note guys, I don't need to cut the strings, and later on I will give you the computation how much or how long do you need for this, or how much string you need for this project. So I am going to put my string like this, and I will go back. So I have to go back, and in this case I need to insert the other part or the other side of the string in the second lane. All right, and basically like this, and the string should go at the back again and back one more time, and I will put the string at the back of this pole here or your canvas, and Lastly, I have to put the stopper here. So this is the other end of, this is the start and this is the end, right? So basically like this. So what is the purpose of this one here? So this is where you pull the string. So when you roll up here, you can pull this one, and the string will just, uh, follow the lane of your pulley, and this will make the lower part to roll up and roll up going up here, right? So how to measure your strings? So basically, we have to have an allowance for this part over here. So our canvas is measured as 5 meters, or you can add 5 meters and, shall we say, 2 inches allowance. And so we have here the allowance for this pocket where you put the iron rod or your weight. At the top of this rolling canvas, you need to have an allowance as well. So you have to give 1.2 meters. That's only my estimate. It depends on you how much you can put on the both sides, the upper side and the lower side. Right? For the string, you need to measure from here. You need to have an allowance, a very short allowance, and you have to measure what is the length of your canvas. So this, in our case, it's 5 meters, times 2 in this side. Why times 2? Because you have to roll it up, or your string is going down and up, so that's times 2. And from here going here, since this one is 5 meters, so shall we say your allowance from here is 1 foot, and also 1 foot here, so you will have 4 point, shall we say, 4.8. Or if you are generous enough, if you have budget for this one, you can also put 5 and just multiply it by 1, because you don't have to, go back and forth over here. So it's only single direction. So you have the 5 times 1 for your string over here, and again you have to measure over here. The length of these is 5 again, so I'll just put here 5, and you have to count how many loops you need in this side. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 loops, so we have 4. So in total we have here 10 meters plus 5 meters, and here is 20 meters. So if you have the project of 5 by 5 meters rolling canvas, you just need 35 meters of strings. Okay, so that's how you compute the length of your string for your project. I hope this tutorial, guys, helped you a lot in your next project for the roll up canvas, or we call it the roll up trapal. I hope this video helps you how to make your canvas project or roll up canvas project in the future. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and comment down below. And if you have time to share with your friends so that they can also learn how to make this project. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell notification below so that in my future videos you will be notified. And see you next time. Goodbye.